Ladies and gentlemen, it is my profound privilege now to introduce the Honorable Prime Minister of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan, His Excellency Mia Mohammad Shehbaz Sharif.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Very honorable and respected professors, medical experts, faculties, students, academia, Honorable Deputy Prime Minister Hasaq Dar, Honorable Chief Minister Sindh, Honorable Governors and Federal Ministers, students, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. It is a great moment to be here today. My first and most impressionable. I've been overwhelmed and deeply impressed to go through this very well prepared, well thought out presentation made by Dr. Adil Haider, Dean, and of course wonderful speech made by Dr. Suleiman Shahabuddin. This institute is not only one of the most pioneering, famous, and hugely respected in Pakistan, but around the globe. And it is my pleasure and honor to be here and be amongst a committee of great experts. And I would also like to mention here at the outset that I am deeply grateful to Aga Khan Foundation for their pro bono support to establish after PKLI one of the most modern hospitals in Islamabad, undertaking various medical interventions known by Jinnah Medical Tower. In that, where is Mr. Sultan Alana? Where is he? Why are you hiding behind chairs? Please come here for a second. I'd like to thank him for his great support, and of course, Aga Khan Foundation. The design is now ready, and very soon we are going to kickstart this project, which is going to entail almost about 100 billion rupees in its entirety. It will have various phases. It will have all important facets: university, nursing school, and of course the most modern gadgetries and equipment which suffering humanity requires to be treated in this day and age. Ladies and gentlemen, let me now make reference from my written speech, which will of course not adequately appreciate my sentiments and my deep felt gratitude for what this great institution is doing for suffering humanity, not only in Karachi, but all over Pakistan. Therefore, ladies and gentlemen, I'm very delighted to be here today at Aga Khan University premises, and I deeply commend the legacy of the Aga Khan family towards supporting initiatives for the social and economic uplift of the people of Pakistan. The launch of the AKU Manual of Clinical Practice Guidelines is a landmark milestone that reflects this great university's resolve to raise the standards of healthcare in Pakistan. This manual is a valuable resource that can serve as guidelines for hospitals and health facilities to provide people with the high quality, evidence-based medical care, which is also the vision of my government. I look forward to seeing the university continue to work closely with government institutions and professional organizations to ensure that it is widely shared and readily accessible. Ensuring access to quality healthcare for our people has always been a top priority for me, as reflected in high standard, not to compare with your standard, but most definitely reasonably high standard, as reflected in undertakings like PKLI, RIC, and Burn Center in Multan, while bridging the gap between the many challenges we face and solutions we need. Institutions of global standards and international prestige like AKU, Sindh Institute of Urology and Transplantation, and many others which Shah Sahib has undertaken in the province of Sindh, gives us a ray of hope. In today's rapidly advancing world, the integration of modern technology, artificial intelligence, and telemedicine into healthcare is no longer a luxury. It is a dire necessity which must be fulfilled as of yesterday. I firmly believe, therefore, that partnerships and collaborations between leading institutions like Aga Khan University and the public sector are pivotal for transforming the healthcare landscape in Pakistan. I would like to congratulate the authors, researchers, and all those listed here in this presentation who contributed most valuably for this manual, are great heroes of Pakistan here in this country and internationally. These efforts are great investments in our nation's future, a future where every citizen, regardless of their background, has access to affordable health care. I would once again like to deeply appreciate Aga Khan University on this remarkable achievement and contribution. This great institute has established itself as a shining example of what can be achieved with vision, passion, and perseverance. May Allah guide all of us in our endeavors, bless this initiative, and strengthen our resolve to serve our nation with unwavering commitment and iron resolve. And of course, to top it all, with great compassion, Pakistan Zindabad.
Thank you, Your Excellency. Your strong support for the work being done here will, inshallah, lead to uplifting the health of the people and community of South Pakistan. Now, for the moment we've all been waiting for, I respectfully request His Excellency the Prime Minister of Pakistan, the Deputy Prime Minister, Governor Kamran Tesori, the Chief Minister, Mr. Murad Ali Shah, to please come, and the Federal Minister of Finance, Mr. Muhammad Aurangzeb, to please come and stand on the right side of the unveiling plaque. And if I could please have Dr. Suleiman. Okay, all right. And if I could please have our Board of Trustees, Mr. Zakir Mahmood, President Zulaiman Shahabuddin, Dean Adil Haider, Dean Salima Villani, and Mr. Sultan Alana. Dr. Farhat Abbas, please come on this side. Okay. Mr. Alana, please. Thank you. And if I may ask the Prime Minister to please unveil. Thank you. Congratulations to all. If I could now please have Board of Trustees, Mr. Zakir Mahmood, to start sharing mementos. We could have Chairman Zakir to please bestow the memento on to the Prime Minister. Please stand. There. Okay. For our Deputy Prime Minister, Mr. Sagdar. Okay. For the Deputy Prime Minister, please. For Governor Kamran Tesori. Chief Minister Syed Murad Ali Shah. And Federal Minister of Finance, Mr. Muhammad Aurangzeb. Thank you so much to all of you for being here. Thank you for all the teams who worked around the clock to make this possible. And most importantly, thank you to our chief guest, His Excellency, the Prime Minister, for taking the time out of his busy schedule to commemorate this milestone with us. If I may please ask all the guests to remain seated.